Hey, Dr. Lindsey and Wendy, this is a 6-month update on a younger, fine-haired Iranian medical device salesman. And he came in here looking like this. And he's a big hoss of a boy, you know, and I remember his girlfriend or fiance or wife.
It's a girlfriend.
Yeah. She works at a vet's office, and she helped me with Gracie when we got Gracie's tubes tied. Gracie's my dog. And so he did this, and then just out of the blue last, I don't know, 2 or 3 weeks ago, he just walked in and did this little video. All right, Steve, how old a fellow are you? I can't remember.
35.
And you're Iranian descent.
Yes, sir.
And full Iranian or half Iranian?
Full Iranian.
So as I've said in some videos, and probably to you, there's 2 kinds of Iranians, right?
Yes, you did.
Fat, thick, bushy, wiry hair.
Yep.
And we got finer hair, and you got that finer hair.
Correct.
Bend over just a little bit. And
yep.
We did use, what, 6 months ago?
10/28 to be exact.
Yeah, so 6.5 months ago. So your before pictures are up to your right, and this is probably half grown. And your curse, you have 2 curses. One is that fine hair, and 2 is you're fairly fair skinned, and that hair is so black. This is a big color contrast. But I'd expect you're about half grown, and on November 28th, or about 13 months out, I think you'll look 40 to 60% better, probably an average about 50% better than you currently are. Spin around and face the blue wall, would you?
You got it.
And you're in the medical field. Was I up front with you? Is everything clean? I didn't do any kind of butchery to you?
Nope. You did everything you promised.
And your scar is really good. I'd give that an A.
Give it an A+.
Well, it's not an A+, but because you can see it, but it's definitely an A. And that's a short haircut.
It is.
Spin back around. Was I up front with you? Anything you think people on here should know?
Yeah, do what he says. FUE sucks. FUT's the way to go.
All right, man. So remember, Wendy, he has fine hair, and it's probably half growing. And so that video, I want viewers to realize that's half growing in a fine-haired younger guy with a significant color contrast. But I think he's going to be on schedule. This is what it's supposed to look like in about 6 months. And his scar looks good. And what else do we need to talk about on that?
I think he's right on track. I think it's going to be a nice hairline.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And he comes from a family that loses a bunch more hair, so we may well get a hold of him before we quit.
Yep.
If we can help you, give us a call. Thanks.